what did we see? The influencing factor. We saw there was a screen in customer settings where you could go and straight away enter valuation grouping codes against the valuation areas. That is how you group them, right? And then we spoke about valuation level, material and material type. Right? So with every material, it has a material type, and you see valuation classes assigned to the materials in the material master record. You get a set of valuation classes that are proposed to you from which you choose. How is this possible? Every material type is assigned an account category reference. Account category reference is a link between the valuation classes and the material type. Several valuation classes can be grouped together and assigned to an account category reference, and an account category reference can be assigned to a material type. So ultimately what happens? Every material type is assigned several valuation classes. Similarly, several material types can be assigned to one account category reference. In the illustration you see all combinations, but remember, never can a material be assigned to more than one account category reference. It can only be assigned to one account category reference. Think of it logically. In your material type, there is only one field that you can enter as an account category reference. Okay? Similarly, one valuation class can only be assigned to one account category reference. From both ends, extremes, it can go only to one account category reference. Okay? Right. Now the valuation class will also point to the GL account which can get posted. And then coming to the transaction. In the transaction we saw, in inventory management, transactions may vary. Fine tuning needs to be done. In goods receipt you have several goods receipts, in goods issues you have several goods issues. So to exactly identify which GL account must be posted, we have to take the help of a movement type. Movement type will tell you which is the activity that you are trying to perform exactly. So what happens in invoice verification? There is no requirement of a movement type. The transaction that you choose, invoice, credit memo, subsequent debit, subsequent credit, will clearly tell you what account must be posted. Whereas in inventory management, you will have to take the aid of a movement type. There are certain postings which need to be specified even more deeply. Like your offsetting entry for stock posting, we know that in a consumption or an issue, a goods issue, is going to reduce your stock quantities and values. So you will have an offsetting entry for this reduction. That offsetting entry can take any form. This can be a consumption, this can be a scrapping, sampling, whatever. So to pinpoint the exact GL account that needs to be posted, the movement type will specify it. How? The offsetting entry is a broader term. GBB is a broader key used for offsetting entry. GBB can be further classified into several other keys. These are called account grouping codes. Account grouping codes are nothing but a finer subdivision of the offsetting entry. So here, in the case of a consumption, the account grouping code will be VBR. For scrapping, you will have VNG. For sampling, you will have VNQ. All these are account grouping codes. With the help of this, the system will identify which is the exact